what you are doing? Like you.
Okay, sorry.
Okay. So you are like wearing.
Did you found it?
Yeah, I found it.
Yeah.
I found it.
Okay, what? I also.
I mean, it's your traditional to put in your religion.
No. I can take it off, but I don't like my hair. I know.
You don't like
It's not
your hair.
good.
You have to like put olive oil on your olive oil.
Oh no, this nature.
Natural.
This nature.
Yeah, you have a
Yeah,
natural
it's
hair.
natural. Yeah, Ethiopian girls are beautiful and have a beautiful hair also.
Okay, it's great.
Yeah. And Ethiopia have their own calendar counting and she have 30 months. This is the amazing thing.
13. Oh, really? You have 13 months? Really?
Yeah.
But we have only
13 months. Yeah.
12
12 months.
12 months. It's very amazing. Unbelievable. I don't know.
Yeah, that makes
how does
unique
it work?
Ethiopia.
How does it work? I don't know. Tell me. I want to know.
This is God willingness.
I don't know.
Oh, I told you, Ethiopia is religious country, so we also counting our calendar in in church bishops like she have 30 months. Yeah, you can search on Google also.
Okay, I have to check it out. Okay, I will check it out.
Yeah, you can write which country is in the world 30 months blessing country.
Okay, 30 months. Okay, thank you so much for giving your valuable time.
Okay.
I'm very happy to talk with you. And obviously come to Bangladesh.
Yeah,
okay.
I will.
Yeah.
And you must become Ethiopia. I told you many incredible things, so you must be visit them, right?
Yeah, obviously I will. Thank you so much.
Yeah,
bye bye.
You